Hello guys, it's Mosha and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are going to learn how to do your own cornrows on your own hair. No judgment, you guys. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. All right, so we're diving straight into it. And yeah, you need to at least make sure your hair is in some sort of stretched state for you to be able to work on your hair a little bit easier. It makes things a little bit easier for you. I mean, if you don't want to stretch out your hair, it will be a bit more difficult as our hair is curly, and so trying to cornrow when your hair is curly can be a bit difficult, especially if you're a beginner. So it's good to start on hair that is a bit stretched in some sort or some form. So yeah, make sure you parting. It doesn't really matter if you're parting or not neat, because yeah, if you're just doing these for under the wigs or something like that, or you're just practicing, then don't really worry about the lines. Yeah, so to explain, my braiding method is a bit strange, but this is how I learned how to do it. So usually I'll part like a little bit of hair. So if you know how to braid, it's basically like that. You create 2 or 3 sections, so the rest of the hair is my third section, and then I just twist that over each other, like cross it over, and then grab a bit of hair at the back and then bring it in, and then just do it like that. And I mean, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I am grabbing hair as I go along, and then you keep just doing that as you continue until you get to the end. So basically just add it on hairs bit by bit. Honestly, don't grab too much, otherwise your cornrow will become fat and then you won't be able to, it just won't make sense. So if you want it to be consistent, then keep on grabbing bits of hair little by little until you get to the end. Don't rush it, just do it slowly. And if you can't absolutely do it, then just make sure you grab a doll or something like that and try and practice on that instead. Yeah, no shame in that, as long as you're learning, because I think I learned on my dolls when I was learning how to do braids, hair and everything like that. I used to braid all my dolls up in different styles. So yeah, continuing on with the same sequence, you grab a bit of hair at the back and then you add it onto the hair, to the little pieces that you've created in front, and then you just continue doing that until you get to the end. Yeah, so just continue doing it. It helps if you have like your other hand at the back of your, like sort of at the back of your head, and then the other one in front, so that you can do this properly. And always make sure that you are untangling as you go along. Don't just braid and braid, because you will end up with another top braid if you don't untangle. So you need to be untangling as you're going along, because you will have another braid forming at the top of your hair that you didn't intend on doing, and that's not good for your hair, because then you'll be breaking off your hair trying to detangle it and untangle it, and that's just a lot of work that you don't really need. So yeah, hopefully you can follow what I'm doing. I learn best by watching and following what somebody's doing. So for me, this would be perfect to watch what someone is doing and just like, yeah, follow along. I mean, if this video doesn't do it for you, there's so many more videos out there on YouTube that you can check out as well, right after you check out this video. So yeah, if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below, then I'll be sure to answer those questions for you. If you'd like a one-to-one personal tutorial on how to do this, then I'm more than happy to help. Yeah, reach out to me on Instagram or via the DMs somehow, somewhere. I'll be here ready to help. But yeah, hopefully you got the hang of it and you'll be able to try it. Let me know if you ever try, or if you can braid, and let me know what age did you learn how to braid your hair. I think I was about 6 or 7. That's when I learned how to do cornrows. It wasn't always perfect. Even now it's not really perfect because I haven't perfected it because I'm lazy, but I just do what I can because, you know, if I was doing it on somebody else's head, it would definitely be better than this, but because it's on my head, I'm not really bothered because I wear these cornrows underneath my wig, so I'm not really bothered about that. I just do what I can, and yeah, they just keep me through the weeks, the months that I keep these cornrows in for. So yeah, but if I was doing it on somebody else's hair, it's definitely way better. But yeah, let me let you enjoy the music for a bit, and then I'll come back in. Okay, so we are almost done, and I am doing here the same exact thing, making 2 sections, or you can make 3 if you want, and then start adding hair to those, like you crisscross them, and then you add hair from the back. Keep on grabbing. Let me know if my explanation is making sense, you guys. If it's not making sense, I don't know. But just let me know if you're unclear about anything in the comment section. Yeah, like I said, no shame in asking, and there's no such thing as a silly question. Unless it's already been answered, then it's not a silly question. Yeah, or if you don't feel comfortable posting it on there, you can always DM me on my Instagram at NATURALLYUNBOTHEREDMANE. Yeah, you can message me there and I'll be happy to respond. So yeah, guys, literally that is what I do for my cornrows. I always make sure to blow out my hair and yeah, corner my hair because it's much easier for me that way. Yeah, it's easy to stretch out, to, you know, untangle the hair and all those things. Yeah. This is what I've been doing over the years. But hopefully you enjoy this video and you enjoy my quick tutorial on how to corner your own hair. Yeah, try as much as possible to get your lines as neat as possible, but that's not really important. But you just don't want any hair crossing over onto the other side because that causes breakage as well. So yeah, just try your best to do as you can, you know. So yeah, that is literally it from me, you guys. That is all. And yeah, let me just let you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, gang, and I will see you in my next video. By the way, if you want to see how I blew out my hair, check out my previous video that will be at the end of this video, so you can watch. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.